It probably came to mind, huh? แบบนี้ว่า Let's see.
That's kind of weird. It must be like really small, huh?
Oh, numb too, right now too. Yeah. I got two going on here. That's how.
Maybe they're starting to show up. Oh, we went off and I know it's taking off on that one.
Yeah.
These almonds are consistent, right?
Yeah, it's going.
Man, so now I really can't wait to go camping, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I am so hyped for that. Like, I just need, like, you know, to get away and fish every day. Anyway, get up and fish.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a decent one too, TJ, this one. Yeah, I got it. Oh, look at that.
Was hella big. You sure you are? You want me to get it for you? Yeah. Here,
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Dang, that was big.
But this one is
Oh, that was hella big.
4 pounds?
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, it is. Hả, chả liếm.
Tại nó mà bùa nó giọt tá, like the whole thing, we bùa tá, like, and then
yeah.
it's all sitting there, you know? And I it.
Oh, there is a fish there already, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh. That didn't take long, did it?
Oh,
Oh, is that a good one?
Yeah, it's decent.
Did you only buy one ticket, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, you put this here, huh?
Wait, Joey, just let him run. Pull him in.
What are you doing?
Wait, Joey. Wait, let him run. Oh, he's in the boat. Let him run.
He's a strong little fish.
Pull it, real.
Don't let him go to the. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Wow. Okay, ballot, Joey.
So I guess we'll have you $1 up, yeah.
Yeah. I saw it go.
Did it?
Ah.
Did you see it too, Joey?
Yeah, I saw it shaking.
Oh, where's the bobber?
It's in the water.
If he's fighting, then let him pull.
Yeah.
But when he's not fighting, you leave him in.
Well, now according to Mom, because she was upset, I didn't know. Oh, it looks like a good fight coming. Oh yeah. Oh, that's another nice one right there.
Real.
Don't let it go too under.
Oh, real.
Totally
There you
under.
go. It's still strong. There you go.
Oh, that one's good too.
I
good
think
job,
it
Joey.
flops back into the
You
water.
are just battling fish after.
Wow, Joey get one. Yeah, got
On
one.
top of my blue bag.
Yeah, think you get a bite?
Yeah, take us the bobber. Right, check it out. Stand up. Yeah, I'll tell you when
He's starting to.
hold it. Okay. Wait, it's pulling. Look at the.
Is it pulling? Oh yeah.
Take it. Okay, no, fight it. Good. See, Joey, you see that?
That must be the
You're
fish
right,
tank.
Fat. Maybe I did throw mine too far. Go to the left a little bit. Go no, the other side. Yeah. You don't want to. Your other left.
Okay.
Oh,
Now let-
okay. Watch Uncle.
Now let.
Go straight up, yeah, like that, huh? There you go.
Lift it forward. Yep.
Don't forget to reel.
Real.
Oh man, what's up with this? How come I'm not getting any? You guys making me look bad.
Wait. Just hold it. Let him fight. Okay, real. When it stops fight, pulling.
That one
Wait,
was
wait.
small.
Yeah, that one.
No, it's a decent size. They're not really that small.
Not like daddy's fish. Wait.
Oh
let him
yeah, that's
fight.
okay. Let them run a little
Fight.
bit. Mm-hmm.
And then when he slows down, then you reel. Reel. Oh wait. Reel. Oh wait. Reel.
You got it, yeah.
Trying to go deep.
Mm-hmm. He doesn't want to come in yet.
Wait. Battle him.
Yeah.
Tire him out. He's getting real tired. Reel.
There you go. Oh yeah, I'm finally getting something. Yeah, let him take it all. No rush. Or maybe I should. Oh, there you go. He's still taking it.
You're not gonna
Oh, I got ears. That's how close it was. Oh no, did you see over this side? Did I get her? That's the only way I could catch it, man. No shame here. Hold the umbrella. Let me go back in this way. Oh, yeah, it is pretty nice, huh? Okay. Is it under or over? Oh,
no.
oh,
Wait, I don't know.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, that's a fight.
Yeah.
Oh, here it goes. I'll reel his ears out.
Oh, this guy's a fighter. Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, nhìn thấy nhỉ? Yến tụ nè, I'm gonna have to kind of take my time.
Yeah.
Oh, lô nhé, sir.
Oh, that's a big one. 500.
No.
It's not like it. So, yeah, tôi phi đồng.
God, that's a nice one, huh? Look at that. Oh, that's a fatty. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll take it then. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh,นี่เก่งผิวเสียบต่อนี่ปะบัว My drag is very loose.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Just the way I like it. I'll tighten it just a tad. Okay, you ready?
Nope.
He's not. He is a nice fatty one though. I'm happy.
We fight.
Let me tighten it up a
Come
little.
in.
I don't want to lose him either. Well, no, I'll let him tie him up.
He's getting tired.
Oh, that is
That's
a
a
fatty.
fat. That's actually bigger than Sophia's.
And since I have,
What would you say that is?
I would say about maybe 3.
3?
You think more?
2.5, I think.
You think 2.5?
I don't know though. Oh, it's gonna got me for those. I don't lift belly guys.
Okay, let's see how heavy this guy is. Okay, here we go.
Oh, 3.5.
3, almost 3.5.
Yeah.
You were saying, Sue? I didn't want to touch it because, you know, I want you guys to get it. I was like, ooh. You got him, Joey? Keep it this way. Oh, it's over this side. Now, come over here real quick. Hang on, Joey. Let me see. Is it over mine? Keep, okay, yeah. Wait. Come to this side. You got him? Oh, he's a jumper. Wait, I got him. Okay.
Hey,
Set it.
Set it now. Hey, you got it?
Hey, Sue, you can't be on the phone.
Hey, oh, you guys have it right here? What?
Hey, Joey, take off the bobber on the net. Oh, that's a small one.
Hey, nice. Should they get a permit? Oh, tapo qua, huh?
Yeah, pukul ambil lah. Okay, you can lift it up, yeah.
Okay, well, I'll let you know if you should get a fishing permit. I'll pay for it.
Well, you got a baby?
Yeah.
Don't let go of the pole.
Where's the net?
Get me the net! Someone, get me the net!
Hello, Ethan, you gotta hold it. Show Ethan where to hold it.
Is it even there? Huh?
Yeah, right there, yeah. And don't let go of the pole. You have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, let it jump.
Oh,
So fire. You know, it wouldn't do that, like holding you.
yeah. เดี๋ยวหาที่นอน
Okay. False alarm. Stick fish.
Got away.
Right, got away.
No.
Oh,
No?
Where's the fish? Who was it? Oh,
quickly, someone get over here!
fire.
Oh.
That's small. Come on, hurry. Hurry. Hey, Ethan. Here, you remember how to hold the pole? Nope. Put your. Oh, what's up, really? Come on, look at. Are you in the middle of that? Come on. Yeah, you need to put this in.
Here, I'm ready!
Is it big?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a small one again. Look, Joe. Look, just pull it up. Okay, don't stop really.
Look at the medium size.
Okay.
Nope, it's small.
Those are actually pretty good. So that's not too bad. Yeah. Oh, it's a big one. Pull it out. Now lift it up hard. Lift it up hard like this.
Yeah, yank it.
Oh, there you go. Okay, now reel it in.
It's okay.
Go, Ethan. Go ahead. Go ahead and reel it in, Ethan. Or go grab somebody grab the net.
Yeah, scoop it up like it's an ice cream scoop.
That one might be bigger. I barely just cast that one now. Where's the net?
That's coming.
Keep it up, Joey. Go closer. Oh, that's a
Watch
good
out,
one.
Lucas. Don't run into the string. You gotta go around the Lucas. Lucas, go around the fishing pole. There's strings over there.
Okay, go get ready. Don't go. You gotta go.
Go closer.
Yeah, just zoom in me saw là sửa. À đây mua đút nhé. Là thôi à.
Scoop it.
Yeah.
Oh, that was big.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my fish I have caught.